Hey guys, welcome to Lumovest, and in this video, we're going to talk about the skills you need to succeed in stock investing. If you were to Google this and search on the internet, you'll get answers ranging from being focused to tenacity, to decisiveness, to competitive spirit. The problem is, these are very obscure and intangible. They don't really explain how they're related to investing and how you can develop that skill set. It often leaves people more confused than before. So today, we're going to try to make this more worthwhile of your time by laying out the 5 exact skills you need to successfully invest in stocks. These 5 skills are cold hard skills that you can actually learn and improve upon to make yourself a better investor. They're interrelated with one another. The first skill forms the very basis of your ability to invest, and the remaining 4 skills will determine your ability to effectively use that first skill. Before you forget, subscribe to our channel so you'll get our latest and greatest videos. Alright, here we go. The first skill you need is investment analysis. You need to have a solid understanding of how the stock market works, and how to analyze stocks in order to determine if a stock is a good investment. We should only invest in a stock if we believe we'll make money from it. That's the whole point of why we invest in the first place. And we can't possibly have that conviction without doing the analysis. This skill forms the very basis of every investor's ability to invest. The more knowledgeable you are about investment analysis, the better you'll be able to identify good investments. Don't worry if you don't have this skill yet. Most people don't. Fortunately, this knowledge can be learned. Lumovest is the best place to learn investing. On our website, which is linked in the video description, you can find a ton of courses on investing. We take our students through a structured curriculum so you'll learn the right things in the right order. You'll perform the analysis alongside us, so you'll learn by doing, and you can challenge yourself with quizzes to help you retain the knowledge. So investment analysis is the cornerstone skill that every investor needs to have. Now let's talk about the remaining 4 skills that affect our ability to execute investment analysis. The first on the list is reading. In response to a question from a student about how to prepare for investing, Warren Buffett advised everyone to read 500 pages every day. That's how knowledge works. It builds up, like compound interest. This advice may seem irrelevant to people who are not experienced with investing. Like, what does reading have to do with investment analysis? A big part of investment analysis is learning about the underlying company and forming a view on that company's future. To do that, you have to read through the annual reports, the quarterly reports, the proxy statements, the earnings releases, earnings calls transcripts, investor presentations, etc. They add up to thousands of pages, so it's a lot of reading. The more you read, the more you'll understand about how businesses and industries work, and the better you'll be able to understand the company, which gives you an edge over other investors in the stock market. Some of Warren Buffett's protégés will challenge themselves by reading 1,000 pages a day. So if you really want to enhance your ability to invest, read more frequently every day. It can be newspapers, company annual reports, or books. But right after Buffett answered the student's question, he followed up saying, "All of you can do it, but I guarantee not many of you will do it." Let's prove him wrong. The third skill you need is basic math, like 4th grade level math. We're talking about math like we bought a stock for $20 and we sold it for $50, so profited $30. Things like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Very basic stuff. And guess what? You'll be doing it on the computer. So this is a skill that everyone should have. We'll be doing a lot of these basic math calculations as part of our investment analysis, like revenue minus cost equals profit. Stock price times shares outstanding equals market cap. Shares we own divided by shares outstanding equals ownership percentage. Things like that. Rest assured, we pretty much won't ever touch math like this. The 4th skill you need is logical reasoning. Your investment analysis must be grounded in sound logic in order for it to be meaningful. So whenever you read about company statements, management commentary, research publications, or news coverage, you need to be able to think through each party's arguments logically. If this is an area you want to improve upon, a great resource you can tap is the prep materials for LSAT. LSAT is a standardized exam that students have to take to gain entrance into law schools. As part of this exam, there's a section on logical reasoning. There's a lot of prep materials out there on LSAT logic, so you can check those out if you want to really enhance this skill. And finally, the fifth skill you need is attention to details. This is so important. This skill is demonstrated throughout the investment analysis, like checking your analysis to make sure the numbers are correct, noticing changes in company reports and management commentary, catching significant items disclosed in the footnotes, etc. To get a better sense of the level of attention to details you should aim for, check out the book Fooling Some of the People All of the Time. It's written by David Einhorn, who is a billionaire investor. It does a fantastic job showing just how attentive to detail you should be when it comes to investment analysis. We've included the link to the book in the video description. So to recap, the key cornerstone skill you need is investment analysis, which you can learn through the Lumovest courses. And your grasp of reading, basic math, logical reasoning, and attention to details will bring your ability to carry out the analysis to whole new heights. The better you master these 5 skills, the more successful of an investor you'll become. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more about investing, sign up for the courses on our website at www.lumovest.com.